Hey, how's everybody doing? I'm using just the internal sounds of my DJI Action 3, and I set up white balance to 5000, negative 1.0 on the EV value, and 10-bit is on, and D-warp should be set at D-warp, but if you get it off of horizon balance, then you get D-warp, but if you have horizon balance on, then you don't have D-warp, so rock steady plus. It's showtime! I'm just a little dark right now. I'm gonna turn my light on for you. Oh man, I charged this light. There we go. I got everything all charged up, right? So I should be doing good today. I am sharing the fun with you. It's cold. You can see I don't have gloves on today, but it is cold, man. And my gloves are in my other jacket. I like this test. I am dark, but there is a light over there. But if I start to turn around, I start to get light, right? So I'm all lit up, as you can see. DJI, you're doing good. Mighty fine with me. Ohio Fred. When you got your camera and you loaded the first firmware up, and you had a fully formatted card, and you now have this issue of the card causing the camera to stop recording. It can't be a GoPro having an issue that fast. If you're having an issue and you tried a different card and you firmwared it, put new firmware on, then you're going to have to get back with GoPro and decide the fate of your camera. This is what I would do, Fred. I would take the card, I would do a full format, and then I'll do a quick format, and then I'll format it in the camera, and then I'll load the firmware on, and then I'll re-firmware, and I'll try that card again, and then I'll try a totally different card, and then I'll get with GoPro for a full refund, and then go forward from there. That is what I would do. Ohio Fred, that is what I would do, man. I would most likely take a return, get my full refund, and not worth having a subscription if they're not going to take care of you and prolong you for the return that's going to expire pretty soon, and then you can't get your money back. And that's why I dealt with Best Buy with the lowest sale possible, and then off I went. If I wasn't happy to January 14th, I'd get a full refund. With GoPro and the official site, good luck, buddy. At 30 days, they're gonna, try to delay you as much as they can, and then you're gonna wait another 60 days for your refund, and you're gonna fight to get the subscription off. But if you have just that issue, you can't work it out yourself. GoPro's not going to work it out. They're just going to tell you the protocol that they do. Read through a book. You need to reset the card. You need to format the card. You need to try another card. And you just need to factory reset the camera. And you need to put in firmware. And it's going to be the latest firmware only. Now, I did not jump ship to DJI because of the issues of GoPro. I just didn't want to get another GoPro when I got all the GoPros already and only got one DJI. My DJI Action 3, guys, it does a great job, man. Let me tell you, I'm having fun with it. My reviews, using it as that camera. And right now, that's what I got, shooting video. Doing some low-level shots for you. Well, since I'm not moving That's why my Rocksteady Plus should be doing a good job. But hey, Rocksteady is not going to be good in low light. I had my GoPro. I didn't like my GoPro because it gave too much flaring on low level light and it ruined all the shots. Even the red traffic lights, they were so blurred out, and the street lights are so blurred out, but at least DJI puts the little lens flares or little circles on it and that. I'm going to see if Siri could say weather. It gives me freaking, weather.
It's currently clear and 34 degrees.
Oh man, that is cold. Man, 34 degrees, my fingers are getting a little nippy. I should have had some gloves on. Well, you're going to see some new stuff on my channel, not just products. You're going to see some RC stuff, baby. And that I am excited about. We're going to see some good RC stuff coming in. I'm going to be setting up my YouTube studio just especially for that. And I'm going to try to cater more towards, my channel, my way, my stuff. Now, DJI auto anti-flicker is on 60 hertz, 50 hertz, and this should not even be flickering. Could that be because of the light on the top or the Santa Claus? I think it's the light on top that's causing it. That's an issue, guys.